stop by and take a look at the 2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, outside temperature gauge, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, braking assist, interval wipers. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, Nissan Connect, satellite communications.